Okay, so that was the simple one because there's only one thing happening. Let's do the more complicated one. There's more things happening on this one. Okay, not only do we have the minus power of 4, but we have a vertical shift, so we got to change the midline. And not only that, our amplitude changes, so that means we're not going to count just 1 up from the midline. We're going to count 1, 2 up from the midline. Alright, so let's see what this looks like. First, we already know where we start. So let's put that, that power of 4 right here. We know we're going to start right here. That's where we're going to start. So I'm done thinking about that negative power of 4. This minus 1, what does that do? It makes us go down 1. So I'm going to put my new midline right there. Okay, so now I want to start and put my maximum here. So this is where I'm starting. Where is my maximum? Well, this says I count 2 up from the midline. So I'm going to go up 1, 2 and put my point right there. And then I go middle to the midline. Now, does the point go here, 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 here? Like, where does the point go? This is when you have to divide up the period into 4 sections. Now we know the period goes from 0 to 2 pi, but shifted over pi over 4. So we're going to go from pi over 4 to the number that's right next to 2 pi. And so we divide that into 4 sections. I like to go to the middle, and then the middle of that, and then the middle of the other 2. And so that means my midline is going to be right there. And then my next one is going to be my minimum. So I count down 1, 2, and I put a dot right there. Then I go back to the midline, and then I count over 2 again, and then I go up 1, 2, and I'm back at my max. And so this is my cosine curve. And if you did it right, you should have the general shape. Now let's continue on the pattern to graph the rest of it. Then we're going to go, it looks like we skip 1, 2 lines, and then we plant our points. So we have midline, I go 1, 2 lines, and then I have a minimum, 1, 2 lines, midline, 1, 2 lines, maximum, 1, 2 lines, midline. And so I connect these, and I'm done.